Array localized air purification captures contaminants at the source with H13 True HEPA filters, proven to be 2 times more effective than MERV 13 filters. Array's real-time data keeps filter maintenance on track, ensuring healthy spaces and efficient units. Array shares filter status notifications with Relay, which informs the BMS. The notification helps inform the facilities manager of the filter life status change, the unit's name and location. The facilities manager can easily locate the unit and change the filter. The filter status is updated and maintenance is recorded in the BMS.